Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these little binoculars. They feature 12 by 25 zoom. And these are quite small. Comes with this little box here, and then a nice little microfiber cloth to clean it off, and some instructions in there. These are quite tiny. Wow. Like that nice little pouch it comes with. There's a belt loop there. You can put that on your belt, and also comes with a little cord here, so you can put that over your neck as well. So you're hiking or something, you need it to bring it up close to check it out, something. All right. So quite compact. That's really nice. They feel fairly sturdy. Got heavy duty, like pretty thick metal in the middle here, and then adjustment with the right eye lens there. You can adjust how far you're going, and then the middle one also adjust that. So all right. Okay, the focus is pretty good there. I'm going to actually take this outside, get it all worked up on how to focus my eyes the best way here, and then we'll take it outside and see how stuff looks. Okay, real quick, it's pretty easy to get this going. Close your right eye and get it all focused where you're looking with the middle one. Open your right eye and then adjust it with the right eye lens. Just turn that till it's perfectly focused. Then it's set up so you can see which way you are. So then once you look at something, then you can just adjust just the center one to see what you want to see and zoom in on it. So now we'll go outside and check things out. Oh, right, here I am outside. I got my binoculars right here. I wonder if I could even look through there and kind of show you guys maybe a little. Well, not working that great, but the clarity, I'm able to just like focus on those trees over there in the distance, and just really, the clarity for these, as small as they are, I'm actually kind of surprised how well these things work. So really clear, everything is, zooms in nicely. I'm able to see and just hold this with one hand. I can hold it with one hand while I'm adjusting the zoom with my right hand, and just hold it like that. So I can hold the camera and do that at the same time. So actually pretty impressed with the ability to do that. Super lightweight. Yeah, seems to be really durable construction. This is like I said, solid, like a metal piece here in the middle, and the adjustment is super smooth. Just simply hold it with my right hand, and while I'm holding it, I can just zoom in and out like that and focus. So it's really nice. Seems to be really good quality here. I like how small it is too, so you can really just almost just put it right in your pocket. So great little binoculars here, my friend. I'm really impressed. Thanks for watching this video.